Said that the construction of this bridge could never be completed. For 4 years, the Golden Gate Bridge reached slowly through fog, storm, and tidal waves as men labored on cables and narrow platforms high above the surrounding hills. They risked their lives against the driving elements while the cold waters of Golden Gate Bay waited below. Bridge builders from all nations came to accept the challenge of building the world's longest suspension bridge. Riveters, welders, riggers, men with nerves of steel who wanted to prove that this bridge could be built. The first operation was completed. Cables more than 3 feet in diameter stretched across the Golden Gate Bay. Enough strands of wire had been rigged to circle the Earth twice at the equator. The superstition of the bridge builder is that a bridge demands a life. Safety nets were rigged so that this structure might prove the exception. But on February 17th, 3 months before completion, a scaffold collapsed. 10 men plunged into the cold waters of the bay. Others moved in to accept the challenge. The struggle of man against nature had captured the imagination of the world. From the tallest man-made towers, the bridge expanded as steel and concrete fused together. This was man's heroic success, the Golden Gate Bridge. Mayor Rossi, cutting a silver chain, commemorated this achievement on May 22nd, 1937, 4 years after the bridge had been started. On the first day, 200,000 people crossed the longest man-made suspension, the bridge that was built with the courage and lives of men. The Golden Gate Bridge was the symbol of home to naval vessels and returning GIs in World War II. This is another milestone of the century in the achievement of man.